what do I have here? Got a Cricut Easy Press 2, the Cricut Maker. No, not that kind of crickets. No, not that kind either. And I never really could understand that sport. This is, I guess, is where enunciation is important. It's a Cricut Maker vinyl cutter. Gonna unbox it and the Easy Press coming up. I'm Roger, welcome to the shop. What I have here is the Cricut Maker for vinyl cutting, stencil cutting, making t-shirt, transfer iron-ons, all kinds of good things. And the Easy Press 2 for transferring those items that I make on here onto t-shirts or fabric or whatever. My primary reason for getting this was to cut vinyl to make decals and stencils. And we're going to unbox this thing. Right here it says Team Lift. So I don't know what team I'm supposed to have come, but I think I could probably handle this. I'm going to start out with the Easy Press 2 since that's a smaller box. So we'll unpack this and unbox it and show you what's inside. I normally don't do unboxing, but for those that are beginners or just getting into this or wondering about what these products are, you'll get to see what's in the boxes. Okay, and getting on with the Easy Press 2. If you watch any of my other videos, you know that we have a loft above the shop here, and that's where I'll be keeping these two items. There's too much dust down here. If you've watched any of my previous videos with the laser engraver or the 3D printing, you know that those items live up there where there's no dust, and it's also warmer up there. It's only about 55 degrees in here. So the outer box has an inner box. What I need is more cardboard around here. So this is Easy Press 2 in the raspberry color. And we have this nifty little Cricut decal, kind of cute. And right off the top we have an envelope that says, "Let's do this." And I assume this is a manual and such. And of course they want you to register your product. And a quick start guide and the manual. So that's what's in that envelope. I know there's not going to be a whole lot to this. As far as parts and pieces, should not require any assembly, at least I don't think it would. Well packed. And it comes in its own little bag. And the base, which is in a plastic bag. Probably says this is not a toy. Yes, it does. This is not a toy. Don't play with this. In other words, keep it out of reach of kids. They do stupid crap. And this is actually heat shrink wrapped. And this sits in the base, oops, like so. Guess I could plug it in here quick, make sure it works. Now there's a little, not sure if that's removable or not, a reusable little Velcro thing under there. Nope, not reusable. It's just a wrapper. And it tells you your maximum voltage and all that kind of good stuff. Yeah, we'll plug this in, make sure it works. And it does. It's telling me the temperature in here is 50 degrees, which is about right. So while we're not going to heat it and stuff right now, that's just want to make sure it worked. And I will take this over, put it back in its bag, and take it over to the other side of the shop, and then I'll come back and we'll open up the Cricut Maker. Okay, now we'll get more into this. I zoom the camera around so you can see exactly what I'm doing here. And once again, we have a box within a box. Yeah. Okay. More cardboard. So, the ultimate smart cutting machine. Versatile, powerful, revolutionary. Shows you on the top of the box right here what's included and what is additional tools for purchase. That means accessories, like everything. Got to buy accessories. Well, we'll get this guy out of the box here. Okay, right in the top is a little box that says, let's get started. And that is, well, how do you open this? Okay, within this is a little envelope of materials for your first project. Assume there's a CD in here or something. It says open me first. So we'll take a look. Nope, not a CD in there. This is like flashcards. Unleash this beauty. Number 1, plug in and power on your fabulous new Cricut machine. Number 2, get connected. Just go to Cricut.com/setup. We'll walk you through every step. Three, during setup, we'll make a practice project with materials in the box. Fun. 4, bookmark this page. That's Cricut.com/create. You'll find every resource you need to master your new machine. Enjoy. Okay, that was okay, I guess. So also in here is a little welcome thing that tells you where to get tutorials, chats, email, videos. You have a welcome book. It's fairly substantial too. How many languages is this in? Okay, the whole thing's in English. So I'll take that in and read it here later. And there's a cutting head in here, which we'll need later, of course. And underneath that, you've got the USB cable, your FCC statement, a marker, and the rotary blade cap. We got all that in this little box. Got some what I call egg crates, inserts, packing. And got the cutting mats, and there are 2 of them. light grip and fabric grip. These two mats. And they are curled now because they were wrapped up underneath the machine. I'll get them up where it's warm, they'll flatten out. Now to get the machine out. And there's more stuff underneath the box, so get all this stuff out. Underneath is the power cord. And that's all there is in there. Other than a little thing of desiccant beads to keep things dry. We'll get this out of the way. And this is also heat shrink wrapped. I'll do with my knife. I'm not going to be doing any actual testing in this video. This is strictly just to show you what's in the box, what you get with it, what you don't get with it. This one's in blue. I know there's lots of different colors you can get these in. And we'll get this cord unwrapped. In the end, going to the machine has a nice little Velcro wrap on it so you can wrap your cord back up. Let me show you how to tangle this up. At least I didn't make a knot. Of course, it's cold, so this cord is stiff. A little protector on the end here you obviously need to take off. Get this plugged in. This plugs into the back here next to the USB port. Some of this stuff out of the way here. Open that up and we will power it up. Some packing to take off here. I changed the tool here quick. Just wanting to make sure everything lined up, and it does. So we'll take this and put the blade guard over it, like so. Did we get any accessories with that? No. So I'll put this back in. Of course, this here is for your pen, and I'll just park this here for right now. But I think overall, this should be an excellent purchase. It'll be good for what I need to do to make some stencils and possibly some obnoxious t-shirts. So there's just a quick unboxing of the Easy Press 2 and the Cricut Maker. Of course, plugged them in, made sure that they both powered up, and they do. Showed everything that comes with the two units. Obviously there's no extra accessories like the weeder and rolls of vinyl or anything like that. That'll need to be purchased separately. I did look at some of the bundles that are offered, but after seeing some of the reviews on what you get with the bundle, the materials you get are just plain garbage, and you can go buy them much better quality stuff separately and be money ahead. So that's just a quick unboxing of this, showing what's in it, what you get, what you don't get, how it's packed, and that it does power up, And coming up on some future videos, we'll do some projects once I get this moved up into the loft in a more hospitable environment where it's warmer than 50 degrees and there's no dust. But anyway, I got all the cardboard down here, so I don't have to carry it back down from up in the loft. So if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Of course, we're always looking for subscribers, so next to that subscribe button is a little bell. You click that bell, you'll be notified when I post another video. And you never know what it might be. It might be at the restoration house, might be out on some other construction project, might be building something in the shop, or fixing something that broke. Always something new. See you in the next one.